Hello family, welcome to my channel. I want to do a tutorial, a very short tutorial on how I use my retightening tool, the safety pin retightening tool. That is the tutorial I want to do because there's a lady who asked that they want to know how I use this pin to retighten my hair. Okay, how I use this pin, I use it with the interlocking. That is there, you interlock in all directions, the rotation. Okay, I'm gonna show you right now because I want you to use it and see results. I don't want you to use it and then complain that it's not working. I want you to use it and see results. This pin is cheap, very easy to modify, and it is very safe for your locks. I've been using it since 2013, as I had told you in my previous video. I've been using this pin, and so I recommend it. If you're anywhere you can't get a retightening tool, please use this pin. It works, and I can attest to that. Okay, my name is Flo Ngugi. I love you all, and let's start the tutorial, and I hope you can see what I'm doing. Okay, I retightened my hair 1 week ago, so I'm not going to do my whole head. I'm just doing the front part, the front hair. Okay, what I'll do here is I will try to incorporate these growth that I have here, the baby hairs that I have around. I don't know whether you're seeing. I don't know if you people can see what I'm doing. That is the hair I want to retighten, right? I have incorporated the baby hairs around. Okay, as you can see, my lock is a short. Okay, it is short, and as you can see, the difference in length because of what I talk about, losing hair due to health issues. Okay, health issues, and anemia is one of the health issues I normally talk about. That is why I lost my hair. And so this is a testimony. Okay, yeah. Now, when you pin your pin right there, what you do is you start with one rotation. Okay, let's say you start with that one. You pull your pin like that. What you do, you don't repeat this same direction. What you do is you change the position of the pin. Now you do it downward. Let's say downward like that. Can you see? Now, after doing it that way, you can do it in here in a different position. Okay, you do it like that. What you're doing is you're changing positions. Don't do it in the same part. Don't do it in the same point that you did last time. Okay, now what you do is you pull your hair like that, and you repeat again in another different position like that, and you pull your pin like that. Okay, you do it again that way, pull your pin, do it again that way, pull your pin like that, and just like that, your retightening is done. Okay, as you can see, there is no growth. The hair is tight. Can you see? Yeah, the hair is tight and done. Now, I have a lot of babies. That's why you can see this one. But as we always say, you don't have to be very perfect. If you try to be very perfect, you will disturb this hair and it will not grow long. So let your hair be. Okay. Now what you can do is you can use the gel, which I don't. Okay. You can use the gel, or you can leave your hair to be and let it be that way. Our hair is natural, and so it has to look natural. That's me. Okay, I don't know about you, but that's me. That's how I take it and do it. Okay, that is why I wanted to do that tutorial, and that is how I do my entire head. It is a very speedy process. Okay, this pin does it very fast. It does not give you a headache, trying to figure out things and all that. What I normally do is, after I finish doing the retightening, I normally pin this hair somewhere around in my clothes somewhere, because it normally get lost. You have to buy a bunch, modify them, maybe 5 or 2 or 3, and then put them somewhere in your closet. So when you misplace one, use the other one. Now, the other thing I wanted to address, this pin, as you can see down here, it is safe for your hair and your scalp. For people with sensitive scalp like me, I don't like tightening my hair when doing retightening, because what it does, it follows with very tough inching. I normally inch my scalp like nothing else. And what does that does? I will definitely lose hair. So with this one, you don't have to tighten your hair like I see some people do. This pin helps you to leave a little space, just a little, for your hair to breathe. Thank you so much for watching my video. Talk to me in the comment section. Tell me what this pin has done to you. Let us talk. Let us discuss. Let us talk. Give me your take concerning this pin. Okay? Because if you're working out there and you can't access a retightening tool, this is the option you have. It is very easy, cheap, and easy to use, and safe for your locks and your scalp. Okay? Now, as you can see, my hair is voluminous. Nowadays, it's healthy. I normally drink enough water, sufficient water. Okay, I don't forget taking water. And to do that, so that I can remember to take water, I normally put water in my bottle, right? And I normally squeeze some orange, fresh orange juice. I squeeze it in so that the water can be, a little bit tasty. And lemon has vitamin C, so that lemon will help you with your immune system. It will help you with your gut health. It will help you with a lot of health benefits. Okay, so when you squeeze just some drops of water in your lemon water, you will feel good sipping that water all through. So I've been taking enough sufficient water. I've been trying to eat healthy. I now have decided to stop taking sugar. I'm not taking sugar anymore, right? Avoiding those, sugary cakes and all that. Yeah, because I want to change I want to work on my health, right? I want to work on my health. Click that, like button, subscribe for more.